everyone, welcome to JGK Masterclass. Guys, in today's video, we are going to learn about electron spray ionization technique under mass spectroscopy. And this topic I am preparing on request. I have already prepared some videos on MALDI and FAB, which are the other ionization techniques in mass spectroscopy. You can watch those videos if you wish to know about the more ionization techniques in mass spectroscopy. So now we'll see what is ESI-MS ionization technique. Okay, so first of all, the basic information about this technique is it is the atmospheric pressure ionization technique, API technique. So what is the difference? How does it make it difference from the other ionization technique? That other ionization works on the high pressure, while ESI electron spray ionization work on the atmospheric pressure. And so it is very easy to interface it between the HPLC and mass spectrometer. So basically, if you are characterizing your sample by using the HPLC and the output which is coming from it, you can easily send it for the inlet of mass spectrometer, and there you can do the characterization by using the mass spectroscopy. So this is the schematic diagram of electron spray ionization. As you can see here, high voltage is applied here. So 1000 of high voltage is applied here, which induces the charge on the surface of the solvent or liquid here. And you can also note that this charge moves towards the conical shape of capillary. Okay, so this conical shape, which is known as Taylor cone, and comes out as a mist or aerosols of fine charged droplets. And you can notice here as it is moving towards the mass inlet, and since the dry gas and heat is throwing it on the droplet so that the solvent can be evaporated from it, and the single charge particle is moving towards the mass inlet. Okay, so here the entire thing is written that several volt of potential is applied on this capillary, which induces a charge on the surface, right, and moves towards the mass spectrometer. So what is the advantage? That it allows the production of multiply charged molecular ions. You can see there, as in this diagram, we have noticed that multiple charged droplets has been generated here. Okay, so from the variety of macromolecules such as like proteins, peptides and carbohydrates, one can generate the multiply charged molecular ions. And we have already covered this point that the nebulizing gas and heat is applied before the droplets enter to the evacuated mass spectrometer, means the entire oxygen has been evaporated from there, evacuated, causing the solvent to evaporate from the surface of the droplet. So we have seen this, that multiply charged droplets which is coming from the Taylor cone or from the tip of the capillary, which is having the solvent on it, will be evaporated with this nebulizing gas and heat, and the single charge will move towards the mass inlet. So basically this ESI allows sensitive detection of the single charge low molecular weight polar species. So this is the application of ESI, and it is also known as soft ionization technique, which uses the high voltage to produce the ions. Soft ionization because here we are not using any harsh conditions, and the schematic diagram is also very simple. It is very easy to interface between the HPLC and mass spectrometer. So one of the widely used ionization technique is electron spray ionization technique. So I hope you understood about the ESI-MS technique of ionization. If any doubt is there, you can write it in the comment section, and I will also share the other links of mass spectroscopy in the description box. You can watch from there. Thank you.